Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun, and petrol headwood. And today it is still about, me doing upgrades according to my standards as a spider rider to this salmonish looking Ryker 900 that I have from BRP Center Slovakia while the beast is at its yearly check. So I have picked up few items from the Lamonster Garage because Lamonster basically delivery just came to the largest European shop for Can Am Spider and Ryker aftermarket parts, martinthevlogger.com/shop. And basically these episodes are about, like, I have picked up key items or few items from the whole delivery that I think there should be on almost like on every Ryker in case you would like to improve handling and stability and safety, performance, joy and comfort. So we did these wheel nuts, we did floorboards, we did a lot of talking. So now I'm gonna do this mirrors because when I was riding through the city, and it was the same situation when I did a review about Ryker like 2 years ago, I cannot see a thing in these. I know they're kind of coffee racer style, but for me it's just a nightmare. So I have ordered basically this to my shop, and we will do just quick installation, and I will try to be as honest as possible. So enough of this, let's get started. For the installation, I don't think there can be anything more easier than this. Just 2 screws. It will go on this inside part of the handlebars. And basically what I like about this is that it has extra, I think it's 3/4 inch screw, like the most commonly used kind of system, screw system for ram mounts. Even GoPro has these holders, these type of holders. I'm using them quite often because I'm vlogging a lot. So inner part, inside part of the handlebars, and just put it there. I mean, what you want me to say about aftermarket mirrors? The purpose is that you should see better, and that's here. I mean, these ones, I have moved them down. I don't see a shit. I mean, they're kind of roundish, and I don't know. They're just, I mean, they look better. They definitely fit the bike. I like them better. But for me, to have a mirror is something like I would like to see what's happening behind me, so I don't have to turn always, So for me, that's absolutely no. As for these, the look-wise, because my bike is everything about the look, so I like this part. It fits, and even from the front, I think they fit the bike. You can see very nicely whatever is happening behind you. A lot of positions and twists and turns, whatever. So that's all fine. I like this part up to here. This is something I don't like from the look perspective. It's kind of hardish plastic. That could be a little bit better, but for the price, it is what it is. One thing that I'm kind of really missing is that there is no rubber kind of protectant around the inner part when they're connected to the handlebars. And for the peace of my mind, I would put there some rubber or something. But overall, I'm quite happy, and yeah, they will definitely serve the purpose. So guys, I was able to do 3 installations, 3 videos, and as you can see it's night again, and I haven't slept for about like 3 nights, I think. And I have eaten already all of those sweets. It's just crazy what Lamonster does, that puts sweets into those, items. Alright, just epic. So, the wheel nuts, they look beautiful, really nice, and they give a peace to my mind that, okay, the wheel is a little bit extra secured, so I can get rid of that bad feeling. That thing, floorboards, I'm not a floorboard dude, but those are really, really nice. They fit the bike like they supposed to be there. They are sporty-ish and super comfortable. They're just they're really, 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 really nice and great quality. Super easy to install. Check the video about the installation. And as for these mirrors, of course you will be not riding like this, like a B or something, but these mirrors, I don't see shit in them. They're really, really terrible. So these aftermarket ones, they do serve the purpose. And yeah, there is a video about the installation, which is not anything difficult, but I like them. Yeah, I mean, the look can be a little bit better, but it is what it is, and it's a safety feature. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, the largest European shop for Can Am and Ryker aftermarket parts, and subscribe to my channel, have the notifications on, and remember, choose your mirrors wisely and choose the one that you like the most, and always have fun.